Bakit mo gusto ma-solve yung problema?
Mas maging productive sila para ma-transform din yung way of thinking nila.
Bakit mo nga gusto yun? Sila yun eh. Ba't pa nangingialam ka sa kanila? Anong relasyon ng ginagawa nila sa'yo?
Para mapadali yung buhay nila.
Okay, bakit mo gusto mo dali buhay nila?
Hirap.
This is my mission to the world.
Okay, eme-eme yan, di ba? Na gusto mo yan. So what will that do for you?
For my own evolution.
You wanna inspire people for your own evolution. Para magbago ka, mag-evolve ka.
Not just me, but other people. Para nga, maging first world din yung Philippines.
Pwede namang hindi ikaw. Pwede naman trabaho ni Marcos yun as the president. Bakit ikaw?
Because it fulfills me.
Exactly. Pansinin mo to. You're helping inspiring people because it fulfills you. Para kanino talaga yung ginagawa mo?
For God.
God ba yan? Sige, sama na natin siya. Pero para kanino yun? In your own words, sabi mo nga, it fulfills me. The reason why you do it is so that it will be easier for who? For you. Kasi pag umayos yung empleyado ko, ganansya ka. Tama ba? So therefore, very important, I wanna point out, lahat tayo lagi may purpose. Pero, lahat din tayo lagi may agenda. Yun yung agenda na I wanna inspire others, chu-chu-chu-chu, nothing wrong with it, pero bakit? Kasi feeling ko fulfilled ako. So you're serving other people, but you're actually serving who? Yourself. Anong purpose nito? Why are we talking about this? Never let your agenda be bigger than your purpose.